Hi guys, I'm Justina from Justina Smile Photography. Today I'll show you how to understand aperture. So my personal favorite aperture is written on the board there. Simply speaking, aperture could be seen as a human eye. If you move from light to dark conditions, the iris of your eye either shrinks or expands, right? So it's the same with the camera lens. This is the hole. It's like the eye of the camera. So depending on a light source, is it strong, is it low, it either shrinks or expands. So this number is an indicator how large or how small is the aperture of your camera. The larger the aperture, the bigger the hole, the more light is coming in. This is logical, right? Ironically, the number is smaller. So f1.8 in my camera is the largest aperture possible. So with this setting, usually pictures are much brighter, lighter, but also with this number, the field of focus is narrowing down. So these are the pictures where you see the blurred background and just the person is in focus. Basically, let's say you have aperture 20. It means that the focus field will be very large. It's perfect for landscapes. It's the aperture, which is called small aperture. So I'll show you some examples. So I took a few pictures with different apertures, and you can see how different they are because I'm on aperture mode, which is this one. You can see it here. Basically, it's usually marked as A, letter A, or AV on some cameras. Not auto. Don't mix it with auto. We don't like auto. So yes, that's A. So you will understand probably that the smallest number, so its largest aperture, is the best for portrait photography. If you want all the details, maybe it's some fashion photo shoot or some street photography, we will come to that later, then probably it's better to increase the number. So let's say go to 5.6 or even 8 if you want really sharp details. Have, let's say, a group photo, right? So remember what we did before, just increase the number, maybe to, I don't know, like 13 or something like that, and then probably most likely all the people will be in the shot, unless it's like, I don't know how many, like few hundred people, then of course put it up to the maximum on 22 or whatever you have. So thanks for watching, guys. I hope you understood what aperture is. If you did, then give this video a like. If you would like to see more videos in the future, just subscribe the channel. Bye! Okay, so hi guys, I'm Justina from... Oh, Jesus, why is it so sunny? Oh, understanding aperture for beginners. So I'll read it through and then I'll, teach how to do it. What is aperture? Aperture is a hole within a lens. Well, I hope now you understand what is aperture. Tutorial is over. Mm-hmm.